Avalanche value equivalent to $36,714 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $35.22 to $36.7576. The earlier day close, $35.1973. The change was plus $46.41, plus 1.19%. Converse rate, US to Avax. Avalanche gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at $26.02. Excessive cost $32.29, while low cost $26.02. The normal for the month $28.63. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $30.18 change for May 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $30.18. Excessive cost $37.46, while low cost $30.18. The normal for the month $33.21. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $35.01, change for June 16%. Avalanche estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $35.01. Exorbitant cost $43.45, while low cost $35.01. The normal for the month $38.52. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $40.61, change for July 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $40.61. Excessive cost $44.26, while low cost $38.46. The normal for the month $41.17. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $41.36, change for August 18%. Avalanche estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at $41.36. Exorbitant cost $46.2, while low cost $40.00. The normal for the month $42.60. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $43.01, change for September 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $43.01. Exorbitant cost $46.20, while low cost $40.16. The normal for the month $43.14. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $43.18, change for October's on 4%. Avalanche conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $43.18. Excessive cost $47.09, while low cost $40.93. The normal for the month $43.80. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $44.01, change for November 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $44.01. Excessive cost $48.97, while low cost $42.57. The normal for the month $45.33. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $45.77, change for December 40%. Avalanche estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $45.77. Exorbitant cost $49.40, while low cost $42.94. The normal for the month $46.07. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $46.17, change for January 29%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $46.17. Excessive cost $51.32, while low cost $44.60. The normal for the month $47.51. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $47.96, change for February 39%. Avalanche gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at $47.96. Excessive cost $53.02, while low cost $46.08. The normal for the month $49.15. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $49.55, change for spring 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $49.55. Excessive cost $61.50, while low cost $49.55. The normal for the month $54.52. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.48, change for April 16%. Avalanche estimate for May 2025. At the outset cost at $57.48. Excessive cost $63.96, while low cost $55.60. The normal for the month $59.21. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $59.78, change for May 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $59.78. Exorbitant cost $66.52, while low cost $57.82. The normal for the month $61.57. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $62.17, change for June 40%. Avalanche conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at $62.17. Excessive cost $74.56, while low cost $62.17. The normal for the month $67.15. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $69.68. Change for July 12 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $69.68. Exorbitant cost $69.68, while low cost $58.24. The normal for the month $65.06. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $62.62. Change for August 10 1%. Avalanche gauge for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $62.62. Exorbitant cost $62.62, while low cost $48.92. The normal for the month $56.69. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $52.60. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $52.60. Excessive cost $65.29, while low cost $52.60. The normal for the month $57.88. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $61.02. Change for October 16%. Avalanche gauge for November 2025. At the outset cost at $61.02. Excessive cost $61.02, while low cost $47.67. The normal for the month $55.24. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $51.26. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $51.26. Excessive cost $51.26, while low cost $48.05. The normal for the month $46.41. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $43.06. Change for December 16%. Avalanche estimate for January 2026. To start with cost at $43.06. Exorbitant cost $43.06, while low cost $33.64. The normal for the month $38.98. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $36.17. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $36.17. Excessive cost $42.28, while low cost $36.17. The normal for the month $38.53. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $39.51. Change for February 9.2%. Avalanche gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $39.51. Exorbitant cost $49.04, while low cost $39.51. The normal for the month $43.47. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $45.83. Change for spring 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2026.